We're going to do a brief video on AMD Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And we're going to take a quick look at this Advanced Micro Devices chart. And let's see here real quick. As we can see, this chart shows us that this stock's still in a bear market. We're below the 200-day moving average. We've got a downward trend in a bear market. It's respecting the 20-day moving average, respecting the 5-day moving average, and we've got significant volume this morning. AMD is about 21 million shares, and it's a little after 10:30. 21 million shares traded already today on an average daily volume of about 81 million. Stock's up about 69 cents. No big deal there, almost 1%. It's trading at about $77 and some change. AMD does not look great, despite the fact that it's holding up and it's got good volume. Could be putting in a little bottom here, especially with this kind of volume, but you never can tell. From a technical perspective, this is a bear market stock. Again, below the 200, below the 20, below the 5. It's down here, obviously testing its previous lows in July of 71.60, and Friday it was at 74.68. But when I take a look at this chart from a longer term perspective and just take a look right there, the stock's been sideways at about 91, 92 bucks since the beginning or middle of May. So we're definitely in a sideways market, but the problem is you've got this declining 200-day moving average, and that's never good when you're trying to get out of a bear market. You want a little dip, and you want the stock to. I'm trying to come back here and find one for you. See, this is flat, and we came out of it. You see this little dip here, and we rose above it, bounced off of it, and started our bull market. That's an ideal situation. You don't have to have that, but this is not good. This stock's a bear market stock. So my best analysis for this stock this morning is, it looks like it might be still in its trading range. It looks like it may be coming down here, putting in a short-term bottom and rallying up into this area, this 94.95 area, which is, after all, not a bad little rally. But there's really no way. You have to get some support under this stock. We don't even have support. If we take a look at this, we don't even have support from a 5-day moving average on this stock. So you have to be very careful trying to pick bottoms through here. Again, this is all my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only. But this stock could easily plummet down here into the 60s without a whole lot of effort. There's a lot of shares being traded, but that doesn't usually mean a whole lot. So especially in a bear market, you have to be really careful. People could be distributing. You don't know what's going on. But at the end of the day, this is a bear market stock with no support from moving averages. It has been respecting the 20-day moving average, and you can see this bottom here respected the 20-day coming down. The 5-day turned up. We got a crossover. You could have bought at the close above the 20-day, assuming your 5-day was over. So you'd more likely buy here on July 19th and use your close of 85.88 the next day to get in if you could, and you could. So you'd be in at 85.88 on July 20th, and that would set you up for a nice bull market rally. That's a really quick and dirty way to use moving averages with precise entry points. We don't have that here. We would need a crossover of the 20, the price crossing the 5 and the 20, and then when you got price above the 20 and above the 5, you use the close for the next day entry. We don't have any of that here. So that's again a quick and dirty way to trade a sideways market like this. We don't have any of it. So my best analysis of this is too soon to say to try to pick this up to get into the 90s on a rally, but that could come here in a couple of days. Too soon to say that right now. So I just have to say it's still in a bear market, it's still in a downtrend. You got to be careful trying to pick a bottom here. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBAM research says about Advanced Micro Devices. We put 190 stocks out every morning, 190 plus stocks out. These are for Monday morning the 19th. They're 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. Let's see what it says. Advanced Micro Devices, so consistent with my analysis of it, it's putting out 0, meaning it does not recommend a buy price today. You can see DraftKings has a price, American Airlines has a price, but there's a lot of zeros here today. That's because we're in a bear market and there's a lot of stocks that the algorithm is saying, doesn't recommend you buy today. Keep in mind, these are all for entertainment purposes only. You have to use your own analysis, but no buy price today for advanced micro devices for AMD, which is consistent with my analysis. You can get all of these every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. We cover 190 stocks, the most liquid futures contracts, the major forex pairs, and BTC on the crypto. There's a link in the description below. You just follow that link to rbamresearch.com and sign up with your email. Get everything absolutely free. Keep in mind, if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you think moving averages that I just showed to you are absolutely no help whatsoever, please tell us in the comments section below. If you love them and think that they're a great help, let us know that as well. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including the entry prices and my commentary, is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.